Chimichurri, the ultimate barbecue sauce ever. Let's do this. Guys, my video is gonna be almost as short as the opening. I'm gonna throw all of these ingredients in my immersion blender, hit it a few times, and we're done. Traditionally, chimichurri is a hand-chopped sauce, so it can be thick and chunky and not uniform. But I'm here to make things easy for you, so I'm gonna throw it in the food processor, so just make sure you don't overblend. Half a cup of chopped parsley. Today I have fresh oregano. Put about 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped oregano, but if you only have dry in-house, it's about 1 teaspoon. I have 4 garlic cloves. I give them a little press before I throw them in the food processor, just to open up the flavor a little bit. This next ingredient is a little bit optional. I, however, like a little spice, so I am going to add 1 hot pepper, seeds and all. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika, you can use your regular paprika, but the smoked paprika definitely adds a different layer element to this sauce. Half a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. This sauce traditionally has red wine vinegar. Some people use white wine vinegar because this has a little bit more of a bite, but I like the red wine vinegar myself. Last but not least, salt and pepper, baby. To taste, 2 to 3 rounds. I say a pretty big pinch of salt. Don't add too much salt at the beginning. Taste it, you can add more later. And another thing, let's not overmix our sauce here. Here we go. We're just gonna pulse it because that way we can check where we want our consistency to land. I'm gonna hit it one more time, but it's supposed to be nice and thick and chunky. There we go. This is the perfect opportunity to give it a taste. Check the consistency. You need a little salt. You need a little what? Little more spice. If you would like it more runny, you would add a little more vinegar. If you want it more chunky, just add some more herbs. Fresh parsley, fresh oregano. You're good to go. This is it. I actually think this came out perfect, so I'm not gonna do anything else to it. So let's get grilling, and I'll see you in the next one.